This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to preview a Typeform. Whether you're new to Typeform or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process in no time. Typeform is a fantastic tool for creating engaging and interactive forms, surveys, and quizzes. But before you send your Typeform out into the world, it's essential to preview it to make sure everything looks and functions perfectly. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first want to head over to typeform.com. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but if you already have one, simply log in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you'll see all your existing type forms, as well as options to create new ones. Take a moment to browse through your forms if you have several, or consider creating a new one if you're starting from scratch. Next, you'll need to select the form you want to preview. You can do this by simply clicking on the form title. This action will open up the form editor where you can make any necessary adjustments or changes to your form before previewing it. The editor is a powerful tool allowing you to adjust the layout, add questions, and customize the look and feel of your form. Spend a little time here if you need to tweak any details. Once you're satisfied with your form's content and design, it's time to preview it. Look towards the top of the screen and you'll notice a series of icons. Among them is the preview icon, which typically looks like an eye or a play button. Go ahead and click on this icon. By doing so, you'll enter the preview mode. This mode is incredibly useful because it allows you to see exactly how your form will appear to respondents. In preview mode, take the opportunity to test every aspect of your type form. Go through each question, check for any typos or errors, and ensure that the logic and flow are working as intended. It's also a great time to test any conditional logic you've set up, ensuring it leads respondents through the form correctly based on their answers. After thoroughly reviewing the form, exit preview mode to return to the editor. If you've spotted any issues, you can easily correct them here. Remember, the goal is to make sure your form is as user-friendly and engaging as possible. Once everything looks perfect and you're confident in your type form, you're ready to share it with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to preview a type form. By taking the time to preview your forms, you can ensure they're not only visually appealing but also fully functional, leaving your respondents with a seamless experience. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to check out more of our guides for additional tips and tricks. Happy typeforming!